Hey, nice to meet you. Do you also wonder why fume extraction torches are not used so commonly? Yeah, of course, everybody at first talks about the weight. Yeah, fume extraction torches are heavy, we don't want to carry them, so every welder is complaining about that one. Then they elaborate on the handle size. Oh, it's too clumsy. Yeah, why does it have to be so big? I don't like it. Next argument. Then they think about their welding process, the accessibility of the weld. I can't see where I'm welding, the front end is too big because of that fume extraction nozzle. I don't want that. And then the killer argument. The fume extraction will affect the shielding gas coverage, and I will have porosity. And every welder who takes care only a little bit about quality, he will say, no, that's a no-go. Fear of having porosity, no. So that's the technical and application side, but the responsible person for the investment in these fume extraction torches, he will also complain, oh, these torches are so expensive, I have to invest in addition to that to a fume extraction unit, even more costs. But now let's go to all these arguments and see what is the reality, what is the state of the art already today. Weight of the fume extraction torch. Modern fume extraction torches are really light. There are some models on the market that are only really a little bit more heavy than a standard Mi'kmaq welding torch. So this argument doesn't count anymore. Second point, the size of the handle. There was a lot of work in simulation of the flow of the extracted fumes, and doing this simulation, the manufacturers were able to reduce also the handle size. So also here, no big difference. Accessibility of the weldment. If you look at the front end of a state-of-the-art fume extraction torch, it's no longer bigger than a standard torch. Yeah, some even use the standard consumables in addition to the fume extraction nozzle. So although this argument doesn't count. And then we come to this killer argument, my gas coverage is affected, I will have porosity. I think this is resolved since years. Yeah, so there were so many experiments, so many tests. Yeah, so we never experienced any problems on this side. Yeah, there are also systems now available where we have an adapted mobile fume extraction unit together with the fume extraction torch. No risk of, taking away the gas coverage. And then the financial argument, the big investment for the torch and the fume extraction unit. I always ask, but did you also think about the sick leave times? So how many times your welders were sick because they were welding over years and years, some over decades, with torches being affected by the welding fumes. Yeah, so if you do this for a longer time, of course, people may get sick and may not be able to work. And if you calculate this against the investments, it will be a real minor point. So I think, taking all these arguments into account, we could convince welders and also responsible persons to invest in fume extraction torches. Could I convince you too?